Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn far and near together, step by step. To talk about far and near, we need large numbers. We'll read their place values, compare them, and estimate distances. Each place is 10 times the place to its right. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and onwards to 10,000s and lakhs. Place value lets us read big numbers. A number with more digits is larger. With the same number of digits, compare from the left. Then we can put numbers in ascending or descending order. Compare 45,300 and 45,030. They match until the hundreds place, where 3 beats 0, so the first is larger. To recap, each place is 10 times the last. More digits means larger. Compare from the left and estimate distances by rounding. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.